Woo!
Oh yeah, boy, I got that Ric Flair drip in my hair. Alright, so it's your boy Ear King here. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing like a lot of hair videos and reactions and all that great stuff on here. This is my brother Darius De Niro. He got his own YouTube.
Gang, gang.
It'll be in the bio below. Alright, so for this video, I'm gonna show you how to have your hair hanging down, like how mine is. Alright, so there's a couple ways to do it. Let me just pull it up real quick. So like one way, how I have my hair right now. So he braided it. He just braided it for me all around, singles, straight down and everything. Took him out. Then it was like hanging a little bit. I wanted a little bit more. So you know, put Can 2 conditioner in there. Alright. And then a lot of it. You just gotta put a lot. Make sure it hang down so it can make your hair heavy and everything. Alright. A couple more ways you could do it. You could do like 2-strand twists. You don't gotta do what I did. Alright. And then you always gotta make sure your hair is long. You can't have short hair, it's not gonna hang down. Like his won't hang, nah. It won't work. Alright.
Nah.
So if you wanna, alright, so the best way to do it, methods I do, besides doing the braid out twist out method. Alright, so I get in the shower, wash my hair, everything. Either wash your hair or have a spray bottle. Just put, this is just water in here. And just spray it all around or have it real damp. Like wet, dripping, and you gotta put a lot of Can 2 in there. Make sure it's all around. Get your hair, start pulling your hair down a little bit so it gets down. Like you don't want to just stand up. You gotta have it down. And then what I do it overnight, so it'll be like good in the morning. Get a do-rag, put the do-rag on just the top, not all the way around. Yeah, not all the way down, so the hair is out. Mine stops. The do-rag stops around here around my head, so that my hair is hanging out and everything. So when I wake up, it's flat. It looks crazy. It was like flat like this, and then you got to shake it and everything. Alright, yeah, you do that. And then also you want to do, when you put the Can 2 and the spray bottle and everything in there, you want to shake your hair to get the curls and everything, get them boys popping. You already know.
Just turn up. Just turn up like listening to 6ix9ine. And just stick your head, go crazy with it.
Like if your head bang, you still gotta do it.
You got to.
And then also you gotta remember when you in the shower, or before you do it, you gotta detangle your hair, because if your hair all napped up in one spot, it's gonna be looking not gonna be looking nice.
Nah. Them was nappy curls. We want curls. You dig?
Yep. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else to say. You just gotta remember it. Wash your hair. Don't be having your hair nasty.
Trife life.
You gonna be having that nasty stuff up in here. People gonna be like, oh, he got dandruff in his hair while you walking.
Your hair hanging down, not coming around. If you got dandruff on that side of the tunnel, we not coming, boy.
Yeah, I'm on your head if it's nasty.
You shave it. You on your head.
Alright, but peace out. E. Her King, Darius De Niro here.
Gang.
Gang.